Hello, my name is Bob Willis and welcome to Book Review. Every couple of months I take the opportunity of looking at new books on electronic manufacturing technology and give my view on their publication, their content, etc. Now this month I've taken the opportunity of having a look at a new book which looks at LED technology. And I've looked at LED books in the past, and this particular publication produced by Springer, and it's edited by Jinmin Li, is Light Emitting Diodes, Materials, Processes, Devices and Applications. Now this publication really looks at the use of different types of LEDs for different types of technologies. So taking advantage of the effectiveness of the technology. Now it looks at the materials, it looks at the actual semiconductor technology side of it, and of course lens technology. Now LEDs is an incredibly large topic area. However, one of the things I find tends to be missed out in this particular book and other books is talking about the assembly process. Now assembly on flex rigid, on any boards which are large for display purposes is quite complex. Also, the requirement to minimize void formation so we can get good heat dissipation with LEDs is very important. So looking at the different types of technologies from an assembly to get the best out of LED technology, I think is particularly important. And I also tend to think that the design for manufacture, i.e. the pads, the footprints that are on the printed circuit boards, could be addressed in a bit more detail. We talk about improving the performance for heat dissipation, but we don't actually talk about the nitty-gritty of what people use in the design. So this particular publication brings you right up to date and also talks about new developments in LEDs, and is ideal for design and manufacturing engineers to understand the technology side of LEDs and their applications, but we still need to look at the assembly side, possibly separately. Now the next publication I'd like to talk about is a practical guide to Xray inspection. Now this publication was produced and printed by Diodes. It was originally written by Dave Bernard when he was with Diodes and myself, and basically provides examples of optical examples of different types of surface mount joints. It then also shows you X-ray examples of satisfactory joints in line with national standards. It shows examples of defects, but it goes another step forward and explains the basic process of X-ray inspection, and also now CT technology. So this book has been completely rewritten from its original format and has been produced by Diodes process technicians. It's available from Diodes. You can contact their website for further information.